Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come to you with a quick Walgreens run deal. So the deal that's starting with the Colgate this week of 2 for $6, and when you buy two you get $4,000 points. It is glitching this week on the breath strips and the shockwave flavors. So I don't know if any other flavors are glitching, but these are ringing up buy one get one half off, and I believe that's the same sale from last week. Buy one get one half off. So one of them is going to be $3 and the next $1.50. $3, $1.50. I used four of the 2 off of 1 Colgate coupons that brought my subtotal to $1 for 4 plus tax, but you can redeem points. I redeemed 1,000 points and then paid 72 cents out of pocket, and I got back 8,000 points. So it is glitching, you guys. This is a run deal. Don't know if any other flavors are doing it, but these two for sure I know is glitching. So this is a run deal. If you guys know any other flavors that are glitching, please let me know. If it does not glitch on you, still use the $2 off coupons. You'll be paying, I believe, $4 out of pocket for 4, but you'll still get back 8,000 points, so it will still be free. But this glitch is even better. Here is my receipt. See, one is 3, the other one is half off. I used 4 of the 2 off of 1, paid $1.72. I redeemed 1,000 points, only paid 72 cents. I opened with 12,660 and ended with 19,740. So yeah, there you go. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.